Let's start by looking at what is included in this course. First of all, the course is based on the practice guide. You will have a copy of the practice guide as part of your course materials. Please, although you are going to be using the slide deck to prepare for the exam, please don't forget to use the practice guide as well. This is helpful not only in preparation for the exam, but also as you're applying the material in your organization. The course objectives are basically covered on this slide. We're going to be learning all about the key concepts of the practice. This is probably the biggest component of the course. It's where we study all of the terminology that will be used, as well as talking about the different nuances of the practice itself. We then go on to understand the processes. Those are the workflows that are used in the practice, as well as the people and the skills and knowledge that they need to be able to make the practice successful. We'll also be talking about tools, technology, and partners and suppliers, and how they contribute to the success of the practice. One of the very helpful things about this course is we provide a section where we show how the ITIL capability model can be used to build and improve the practice over time. And then finally, we take another look at some of our old friends from the foundation course, the ITIL guiding principles, and we'll be looking at how those guiding principles are used in the practice and how they apply to the practice.